Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato soup. First, gather your ingredients. About 2 pounds of potatoes, 4 cups of broth, and 1 cup of cream. Next, peel and dice your potatoes into 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Don't forget to chop 1 onion and 2 celery stalks. They'll add a wonderful aromatic base to your soup. Now let's build some flavor. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your diced onions and celery, sautéing them until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a rich base. Once softened, pour in 4 cups of your preferred broth. With your broth simmering, it's time for the star ingredient. Add your diced potatoes to the pot and bring the mixture to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer, covering the pot. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. For a creamy texture, mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. Almost there. Reduce the heat to low and stir in 1 cup of heavy cream. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat the soup gently for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil, which can cause the cream to curdle. Serve warm, garnished with fresh chives or crispy bacon bits for an extra touch of deliciousness. Enjoy your homemade potato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.